I ran a poll recently to find out what kind of recipes you guys wanted to see next. By far, a seafood boil won out. If you have a Lidl near you, I got this big box of snow crab legs for just $20. I'm also adding some smoked sausage, shrimp, and a bunch of vegetables. Check the description box for the full list of ingredients and exactly how I did this. This particular method just takes one big pot and a little bit of knowledge about how long everything takes to cook. Start out with about 3 liters of water and dump in all your spices. I go a little bit light on the salt because we'll make a sauce for this later. Add just a squeeze of lemon or lime juice, whichever you prefer. The first thing you boil will be your potatoes. Now these are really tiny ones, so I'm going to add them and then set the timer for 5 minutes. After that, you want to add your smoked sausage and your crab legs. Now both of these are already fully cooked, so you're just heating them through. At this point, as you arrange the crab, just set the timer for another 5 minutes. Now when you're making this at home, you're going to keep it covered after every addition. Next comes the corn and the shrimp. Just add it all on top and then set the timer for 2 minutes. I like to add extra vegetables to mine, so I cut up some broccoli crowns and those go on top for the last minute. And that's it! Serve this with a little melted butter with spices of your choosing. This one has Old Bay and a little bit of lemon pepper in it. A homemade garlic mayo or store-bought aioli would also be very good with this. What you see on this platter is less than half of what I boiled up, and between the two of us, we didn't even finish this. Now I know that restaurant seafood boils feature a really rich buttery sauce, but at home, I just like to dip the crab meat in a little bit of melted butter and extra Old Bay. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you.